This stone, I don't know if you can see this, but I've marked a line. It needs cutting at 850 long, and there's a big, oh, it's on the other side, there's a big corner off it, so I'd normally cut the bad corner off, but I need this end as my exposed end. No, I need, that end's got to be against the wall, which is my natural end, so I'm going to have a go at cutting it the old fashioned way with the chisel. I've never done this before. Well, I've done odd bits and pieces, but never done a stone like this a step, so hopefully I won't knacker it up, but I thought I'd have a go and see, because I want this end to be my exposed end, and it's just started raining, so I've got 20 minutes because the bread's in the oven. So essentially what I'm trying to do here is score it all the way round, weaken it and give it somewhere to crack. But they're bloody hard stones. Oh, there's me corner chip. Oh, go away, rain. I'm no stone dresser, as you can probably tell. So if I'm doing something very wrong, let me know. But by then I'll probably be too late, I'll have done it badly. Well, there's a bit of a crack there started. Not where I wanted it, but let's see. Well, yeah, not quite where I wanted it. But I'll start somewhere. Again. Getting somewhere, kind of. Maybe. Looks like sandstone, but it feels very, very hard to me. Oh, there's a crack down there. You can't see that, but it starts there, looks like it goes to about there, so if I start this side, oh, there he is. Right. Right. I think I'm a bit optimistic with that. How do we do this then? Oh, this is hard work. Fair play, back in quarries, back in the day. Whew. And that's it. Not the prettiest, but show you some of these. They're not perfect, so that'll do for me. I've got to lift this thing up now and fit it. I'll show you that. Set you up over there again and show you that. I'm gonna call that a day because it's starting to get very grim. It's very wet. I'm pretty wet through. Well, not wet through, but not far off. And this morning they forecast it going to get cold this week. They've probably changed their mind 5 times since then anyway, but I think I'm going to wrap this up fairly well now and pick it up once the temperature warms up a little. I say warms up like it has been 10 degrees or something. I don't want to be doing this when it's frost or when there's a chance of a frost. It's not good for any of it. Loose. That is done, that's done. So I will turn you off and pick this up whenever. So really all I've got to do here is build this wall to this level now. There's not really going to be much backfilling of this, and the next step that goes on top here will come halfway into this wall, and the rest of it will be the roof of the dog kennel, or the, I don't know, the stone sort of, I don't know what they are, stone beams. They're almost like concrete lintels, but they're stone, that will form my roof of the dog kennel. So the level they are going to be is here, which, I don't know if you can see the pencil mark on the wall. That is level. The top of them is level with the top of the next step. So the next step is going here, and then, well, see what happens then. Right, that I think is it. I've got a bit more stonework to do here, but I'm not going to do this. I'll probably tuck this up fairly well now and pick it up once the weather gets a bit better. That may be spring, I'm not sure. We'll just keep an eye on the forecast, or not that I hold much faith in they know what they're doing, but whatever. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and don't forget to let me know where you're watching from, just 'cause I'd like to know. So I'll tuck this all up and see you in a bit. Cheers.